Polybuzz or CapCut? Which one is the best tool for short-form creators in 2025? Let's break down everything from AI voices to editing ease and find out which one's right for you. First, let's look at what each app does best. Polybuzz is a voice-based content creation tool. You can pick from over 20 million AI characters, generate voices, and create memes, skits, or any voice-driven content quickly. CapCut, on the other hand, is a video editing tool designed to make short-form video creation easy. It is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, with tons of templates, effects, and editing features. Now let's talk about ease of use. Polybuzz is incredibly fast and simple. You can generate a voice meme or character interaction with just a few clicks. No editing skills required. CapCut also makes it easy to create videos, but it requires a bit more work. You will need to add transitions, effects, and sync audio manually, but it gives you more control. When it comes to copyright safety, Polybuzz provides AI-generated voices and music, but you will need to be careful on platforms like YouTube. Some content may be flagged for copyright issues, but CapCut comes with a huge library of royalty-free music and TikTok-safe sounds, so you don't have to worry about your content getting taken down or flagged for copyright violations. So here's the final verdict. If you want fast, AI-powered content for memes, short videos, or character-based content, Polybuzz is the way to go. It is super quick, no editing needed. But if you want more control and polish for your short-form videos and you want to be sure your music and content are safe from copyright issues, CapCut is the better option. Which tool do you prefer in 2025? Polybuzz or CapCut? Let me know in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe for more creator tool reviews.